So every reversal can be eliminated at most 2 breakpoints, and these 2 breakpoints will be, one will be in the left direction and the other will be in the right direction, and ultimately we will come up with the equation d pi, and we already know that this is the reversal distance and it should be greater than or equal to b pi, that is divided by 2. And we know that b pi is the number of breakpoints. So it means that we should come up with the equation that after the distance permutation, the breakpoint should be less than the permutation order. And the algorithm breakpoint reversal sort, it eliminates the breakpoints as possible in every step in order to reach the identity permutation. And we know the identity permutation means that the elements now come in the ascending order. So here we can see here the algorithm that define the breakpoint reversal sort. So it is a 5-step algorithm. In the first step, the while loop will start, and in the while loop, the b pi, the distance reversal, should be greater than 0. In the second step, it will look for among all reversals. We will choose the reversal row that should be the minimizing. And we know that we already have seen in the previous algorithms that we can minimize the reversal sorts by using the b pi row. And in the third step, we will assign the value of pi row to the pi. And if we will assign this value, we will get the output pi and we will get the answer. So this breakpoint reversal sort algorithm, it has 2 drawbacks. One, it is not clear why breakpoint reversal sort algorithm is a better approximation algorithm as compared to the simple reverse sort algorithm. So still we cannot point out the reasons of this difference between these 2 algorithms. And the second drawback is, it is also not very obvious that yet the breakpoint reversal sort terminates or it does not terminate. So these 2 are the main drawbacks of this breakpoint reversal sort algorithm. So we can define a strip in a permutation row as an interval between 2 consecutive breakpoints. We have already seen in the previous slide that we can identify the breakpoints between the 2 non-consecutive breakpoints. So in this permutation, the number is 0, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 6, 9. We have added 0 and 9 as pi naught as a 0 and pi n plus 1 as a 9. So we can see here there are 5 strips, and we know that strip means a group of elements that are in the consecutive order, but it could be in the ascending or descending order. For example, here we can see 2 and 1, they are consecutive, so it is a 1 strip. 3, 4, 5 is the second strip. 8, 7, 9 is a third, and we can also consider 0 and 9 as independent strips. So these strips can be further divided into increasing and decreasing strips. So we can see here 3, 4, 5, it is in the increasing order, so we can say that this is the increasing strip. Similarly, there are two decreasing strips in this permutation, and we can see here 2, 1, because 2 and 1 they are in the decreasing order, so we can say this is a decreasing strip. And similarly 8, 7, 6 is also a decreasing strip. Further, we can say that it's a single element strip. Either it could be in the increasing or decreasing order, but we can consider as decreasing except for element 0 and n plus 1. So we will not consider 0 and 9 because 0 and n plus 1 is 9. We will not consider this in the permutation.